Hello. Ubo pa ako, no? Hello, hello. Ayan, mga kabok. Welcome back sa ating channel na #WalkWithLan, kung saan ang politika ay hindi dry lecture, kundi simpleng kwentuhan lang na may twist, turns at konting tawa para hindi maging headache. Ako si Lan at today tayo'y mag-uusap about the hottest bomba sa Philippine politics, the Affidavit War. September 28, 2025, date na ito ngayong araw na ito. At parang action movie na ang Senado. Imagine niyo suitcases ng 1.68 billion pesos, cash delivered like pizza sa bahay ng mga big-time politicians. Pero wait the plot thickens. Whistleblowers na dating Marine aide, si Orly Gutesa, nagbigay ng affidavit na nag-expose lahat. Tapos, notarization issue. Senador Rodante Marcoleta, hero mode on. Challenging the notary like a boss. Bring your register. Let's see who's lying. Boom, no? Pero si Senator Panfilo Lacson, chair ng Blue Ribbon, parang referee na nag-o-offer ng background check sa witness instead of digging deeper. Takot ba siya o sa totoong laro o protective mode for his allies? Today, ilang mga minuto na deep dive, storytelling na skandal, witty breakdown ng moves at intellectual insights para sa inyo, mga kabataan na gustong maging game changer sa bayan. No flop, just facts, humor at calls to wake up. Ready? Let's roll. Hit that like button na if you are Team Truth, mga kaibigan. Okay, simpleng kwentuhan lang muna tayo December 2024, si Orly Gutesa, former Marine, tough sa nails naging aide kay Ako Bicol Representative Saldico. Not just an aide, security consultant sa 90-man team na nag-deliver ng basura, pero hindi ordinary trash. Mga kawok, basura meaning kickbacks. 48 million pesos per suitcases 46 suitcases total. Delivered up to 3 times a week hanggang August 2025. Saan ang destination? Bahay ni Ko. Tapos went to Forbes Park Mansion ni former Speaker Martin Romualdez. Mga kaibigan. Okay si Gutesa sa affidavit, bombshell. Nagdetalye ng cash deliveries na parang Amazon Prime. Efficient, discreet, deadly. At last, today's Senate hearings surprise witness. Introduced by Marcoleta, nag-swear under oath. I saw it. I handed it down. No? Sabi niya, consistent at daw sa typewritten version na binigay kay ex-representative Mike Defensor. Kaya imagine ninyo Kape muna po tayo. Okay, imagine ninyo mga suitcases na yan, black, bulky, parang luggages from a bad his movie. No? Pero real life, 1.68 billion pesos na dapat sa flood control projects nawala sa bulsa ng mga politicians. Flood sa Pinas, still happening. Ko and Romualdez, renovation daw sa bahay since 2024. Walang space for suitcases. Cute defense, pero worse the receipts. Okay, Gutesa declined witness protection, staying with fellow Marines. Defensor backs him, no red flags. His Senate oath, that's evidence na I got this, may text daw from other Marines. I'm coming out, support me. More whistleblowers incoming, exciting. Pero, the notary drama, lawyer Pichi Rose Espera. Fake signature ko, Marcoleta, not buying it. Why let your staff sign? Paano nakakuha ng register? Si Gutesa. Intellectual point, notaries are gatekeepers of truth. Mess with that and the whole system's joke. Okay, comment down below. Would you trust a Marine's word over a false denial? Okay, now let's give props where's due. si Senador Rodante Marcoleta disguised the MVP ng episode na ito. Friday press con, summon the lawyer, dalhin ang notarial register, straight fire. Hindi siya nagpaikot sa denial ni Espera. Ultimate arbiter yan, no? If numbers match, disbarration time, no? Madidisbar ka, Attorney Espera, according to Senador Marcoleta. Okay. Parang detective show, ha? Marcoleta Sherlock, ano? Register as the smoking gun. He's not just talking. He's pushing for accountability. Remember, inang-company niya si Gutesa sa hearing, trust built on facts, not favors. At sa bigger scandal, implicating Villanueva, Estrada, Escudero, Binay, Revilla, at super contractors like Discaya siblings, all denying Marcoleta's like. Prove it! Let's see the books. No? In a world of fake news, Marcoleta's style, relatable, no? AF bold, no calling out enablers. If you are Gen Z tired of lip service, this is your guy. Fighting corruption na directly hits our floods, our taxes, humor. Sana maging action star siya after title, Register of Doom. Okay, fact-based tayo, ha. Defensor who's into Gutesa to him says core story consistent. Marcoleta's not fabricating. He's amplifying a Marine's oath. Hero energy, 10 out of 10. Okay, shift gears na now. The critic, Senator Panfilo Lacson, Blue Ribbon Chair, orders full record, check and background on Gutesa. Sounds good, ha? Right, pero wait. Why focus on the whistleblower, not the accused? Parang sino ka ba, Gutesa, instead of saan napunta ang suitcases? This is a classic deflection. Sabi ni Lacson, panel not informed beforehand. Bakit? Fair, pero after the testimony, sudden suspicion on the notary issue. At his Saturday statement, points to Manila RTC for unraveling the mystery. Nice pivot. Pero bakit hindi siya mismo ang mag-lead? Ang jurisdiction down. Sounds like passing the back, mga kaibigan. Was he made to sign a prepared affidavit? Implies Gutesa's puppet shady, no? Pero sabi ni Lacson, dating anti-crime czar, now playing goalie for the corrupt, no? From the king of probes to the dodger, minsan elders. Like him forget, transparency isn't optional. It's oxygen for democracy. At sa flood scandal na ito, with 17 plus House members implicated, his investigation feels like a speed bump, not a demolition derby. All named politicians denying Lacson's committee should grill them, not grill the witness. In philosophy terms, this is Occam's razor flip. Simplest explanation, no? Protect the powerful. Sabi ni Lacson, step up or step aside. Lacson, step up or step aside. Okay, ha? O, parang Indiana Jones, no? Running from affidavit boulder. Why you so scared, Senator? Okay, zoom out tayo, mga ka-walk. No? This ain't just affidavit beef. It's the flood control corruption web, no? Billions for infrastructure. Pero bakit tayo pa rin nalulunod? Gutesa's story ties ako, Bicol's ko, Romualdez at iba pa sa commissions, super contractors, Discaya duo, alleged middleman. Defensor's point, no? Senate owed Trump's notary glitch, legal fact, admissible evidence. Marcoleta amplifies that. Lacson smuggled it, no? So sa Plato's Republic, guardians must be incorruptible. Here, some are cash couriers. This is our inheritance. Don't let it wash away, mga kababayan. Sarap. Okay, if kickbacks are basura, then politicians, excuses are recycling some old trash. How can we audit this? FOI request, petitions. Let's brainstorm in comments. For you, Gen Z at millennials, politics isn't TikTok trends. It's suitcases of stolen dreams. Marcoleta, show guts, no? Lacson in what not to do. Follow hearings, vote informed, join watchdogs like Eyewitness, Q&A time from subs. Bakit Marines involved? Security cover, daw. Ironic twist. Sino next whistleblower? Stay tuned, mga kaibigan. Mga kawok, that's the affidavit war. Marcoleta fighting forward. Lacson Wells circling back. Ano sa tingin mo? Team Marcoleta or na? Like if this woke you up. Subscribe para sa more simpleng kwentuhan sa politika. Share sa mga barkada para mag-spread ang truth. Bell icon on. Next vid on Romualdez Rino defense. Mga kababayan, sa panahon ng kasinungalingan, ang katotohanan ng unang sinisikil. Pero kasama kayo kaya nating ipaglaban ang tama. Sumali na sa aking YouTube membership. Tulungan ninyo akong manatiling malaya, walang takot at laging handang lumaban para sa bayan. Salamat sa suporta mga kawok. Sumali na sa #WalkWithLan YouTube channel membership at maging bahagi ng laban. Thanks for watching. See you in the comments. Laban tayo at mabuhay ang Pilipinas.